Welcome to Kelly's Hawaii.
Okay guys, I'm up here at the Tantalus Forest on Tantalus and Round Top Drive, testing out this really cool R.Roaring bicycle. It's got some unique features for being under $300. It's pretty amazing, especially in these times. 21 speeds, and it shifts smoothly, and it even has disc brakes, dual suspension, along with a foldable bicycle feature. Really unique. I'll show you in a few minutes. Look at this awesome forest I'm in. Wait till you see this. Okay gang, come back soon. I'm going to show you all kinds of cool stuff about Hawaii and all these cool products that I review. Hope you enjoy these videos, and I'll just keep them coming. Aloha from paradise, and aloha from COVID 2020. Over and out.